We are making a movie of this flight, and I just hit record. You can throw a shot to this camera. You'll get to see this video at the end of the flight in the lobby. Everyone did see the safety briefing video inside? Perfect. Seatbelts are low and tight. Buckle in the center. Make sure the life preserver is over top of the seatbelt. Looks great. We're going to go ahead and take off, and for the takeoff portion of the flight, I do have to turn off these mics, but I'll turn them right back on once we hit our cruise altitude. Alright, here we go.
You can hear the spirits crying in the wind, lost without a trace at all.
Alright, we're crossing through our cruise altitude now. Those microphones are back on. If you got any questions, let me know. If you guys look down here at this river and you've seen the movie Indiana Jones, Raiders of the Lost Ark, the opening scene when Harrison Ford runs out of the cave, jumps on the float plane, takes off, that was all filmed right here. And we are going to fly along the Ha'upu mountain range for the first portion of the flight. And as we get a little closer up here, you see that notch in the mountain range. As we get close to it and look through it to our left, we'll see the Kipukai Beach. Another Harrison Ford movie was filmed right there, the movie 6 Days, 7 Nights. And here to our right, this big wide open green field, this is the Kipu Cattle Ranch. This is one of many cattle ranches we got on the island. In fact, if you go to the local restaurants and you see grass-fed beef on the menu, it's from the island. See them all down there having a good time. And then coming up here on our left-hand side as we clear the Ha'upu mountain range, you can see the south side of the island, which is Poipu area, if you've been over there yet. If you haven't, I recommend going to Poipu Beach around sunset time. It's a good spot to catch the sunset.
Yeah, we're actually staying at the Hyatt.
Oh, perfect. Have you guys been to Poipu Beach yet?
Never.
So if you're heading back there after the flight, go to Poipu Beach right around 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Green sea turtles start to show up. They actually sleep on the beach there every single day. Sometimes you have to be there a little later, but they're there every single day.
Wow. And that's where it is, right? Our resort Hyatt is right
Yep.
to our left.
Directly to our left, right by shipwrecks, and then just a little bit to the right is Poipu Beach. So if you go down the tree tunnel and go through Koloa Town and hit to Poipu, you'll go to Poipu Beach before you hit your hotel.
And I assume if I buy this video, I don't need to be screwing around the videotaping, right? Myself.
Yeah.
I mean, it's going to be better than anything I'm going to do.
Yeah, I'll get as best as I can. One thing about these cameras is I have to point the helicopter to point them, so I do my best. But one thing that's nice about it is you get all my narration and the music. So since you guys are staying on the south shore, you probably went down Tree Tunnel Road right here in front of us. Long stretch of road that's surrounded on either side with tall trees that connect in the middle. Looks like a tunnel made of trees, that's why they named it. But everything around it used to be a sugarcane plantation. This actually used to be the entranceway to the Rice family sugar plantation back in the day. But it became too expensive to grow and export sugarcane out of the island. So what they're growing here now beneath us is actually eucalyptus trees, which the island will burn at a power plant. And it creates about 60% of the island's energy when you burn these trees. And then we're going to cross over the Kahili mountain range here. You can see the wind's kind of coming over it at a pretty good speed. Might get a couple bumps as we cross over it. Nothing to be worried about. But coming up here in front of us, on top of the Kahili mountain range, you'll see the Alexander Reservoir, which is left over from the sugarcane infrastructure. Here come some of those bumps. And since there's no longer sugarcane grown on the island, what they utilize it for is that farm down there to our left, which is a coffee farm. That's the Kauai Coffee Company, 3,500 acres. That makes it the largest coffee farm in the United States. And they do offer tours of it, if you're interested. Here's the Alexander Reservoir. Lots of these on the island. This is the only one still used for irrigation. There's one on the east side where you can book an adventure where you inner tube down the canals in the mountains. They'll go through tunnels and stuff like that as well. And we'll get just a couple more bumps as we descend into this valley here in front of us, which is the Honopepe Valley. This was made famous in the very first Jurassic Park movie. So if you remember the opening scene when the helicopter shows up to the island, flies through a valley, and lands at a waterfall, that was all filmed right here. The name of the waterfall is Manawaiopuna. But after the movie came out, they nicknamed it Jurassic Falls. A little easier to say. We'll get a good view up front for Anthony and Michael at first. Then we'll head on to the left-hand side for Bridget and Julia. And then to the right-hand side for Aaron and Lauren.